So guys, today is the 14th of July. We are trying to deassemble this fan. These are graduates of the year. We still have 2 more exams, but well, trying to deassemble stuffs. Trying to disassemble. Deassemble. Oh god. So guys, I'll be seeing you when we are finally packing, because we're going to pack in different days, because we still have 2 more weeks.
Because we are sending our things through different vehicles. So we are packing in batches. Apparently our things are actually much. So we have to pack in batches in order not to forget things. So Titi is helping me dismantle my fan.
Even though I was one that assembled it too. Oh god. Well, I don't know how that one came. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, this mirror is so dusty. So guys, today I'm doing my college move out video. So guys, this is my final semester. My final semester ended like 2 weeks ago, but I've been in school for a while trying to finish my projects. So today I'm just going to take you guys around how I unpack for the last time in school. Oh guys, if my voice is somehow, I just woke up. It's 7 o'clock now, just 7 a.m. so that's why I look like this and my voice sounds very horrible. So guys, let me just take you around. Like, this is my whole wardrobe now. I have to clear this out. See, this is my room. Everything here has to be cleared out. Ooh, shiny. Everything here has to be cleared on my table and stuff. And also, I have to bring down everything up there, down first, because those are where my bags, my boxes and everything are. So let's get started.
Flex B, ojo ma ti di o, ma kin agede o. Edo gogoro pẹ̀lú reference inú coding. Gbogbo yín la invite, mo ti ẹjọ́ under 18. I'm just a bad boy, you don't need to hate me. Let me fry your pomo, ṣáàtì kọ́rẹ́ mi ní.
So guys, I finally unpacked everything that's up there. Let me show you guys. Guys, this is just different Ghana Moscows, a box, and I think there's a box inside here too. Then my printer and some stuff. So I don't know what's inside this piece, but we'll find out. Then I brought down this paper for my one I use for my printer. So guys, let's start unpacking. So guys, this is the first box. So my box are those like long traveling box, because those normal boxes can't contain my stuff. I have too much stuff. And this is the second time I'm packing. I'll add the first time I was packing like some weeks ago. I took some things home when I went home, so this is just like part 2 of me packing out. So yeah, and I'll see you guys when I'm done, I think. here. I just left my provisions up there, and I was done with this in 4 minutes. I just packed it the way it was arranged already. Then I just put it inside the box. So now I'm just remaining this part. So guys, this is 2 hours later. I brought down my bags from there. Just trying to pack my stuffs. I'm already packing 1, 2, 3, 4. I just packed 4 bags right now. And there's 2 more to go, like you guys can see. They're already empty, almost emptied here. I still have to empty this, my laundry basket, my shoes over there. The ring that I have to collapse it. I still have a long way to go, sure. But my books and everything. But for right now, this is just the update of what I've done so far.
Seri Makaburi, classic boy. Oh lo 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 lo.
Guys, it's 10:55 now. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So this is so far what I have done. I've gone this far. I have almost finished packing this bag, that bag, and this bag, and this one. I already packed my ring lights, so I'm to pack the rest. But I'm tired now, so I'll continue tomorrow. So guys, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow when I continue this packing. Hi guys, welcome back. So I think it has been 2 weeks since I packed the last clip you just saw. So finally tomorrow I'm leaving Elizabeth University, finally, for the last time. So I'm just going to show you guys around what's remaining and I'll just pack. So guys, I'll just show you guys the bits and bobs of the things that I have not packed from last time. Then I'll just pack it up now. And then we move out tomorrow. Guys, this is my room right now. Those are Hawa's, my roommate stuffs. But these are my things, my mirror, this, and this is Victoria. So guys, I'm just packing. It's just a few things I want to pack now. And I'm officially a graduate. Yeah. I don't mind this remote. So guys, I'm finally moved out of my room. Let me show you guys my room. Let's see. Just mainly my laptop and like the things that I'm carrying on my hand right now. My wardrobe is empty. Everything. I just have these things that when they come, they clean it out. My laundry basket I'm not taking anymore, and just some bits and pieces. I'm throwing those ones away. I'm leaving this fan because it's cold, but that's not all. I'm done, finally. My room is finally empty. I don't know if I should leave these stuffs on the wall. I was thinking, if the next person comes, if they want it, they'll use it, and if they don't, they can peel it off. It's not a big deal, since it does not spoil, it's very easy to remove. That is it. I finally am done. So now, let me just pack my laptop and my things, then I'm a graduate.